Hello, dear students. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. We are Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, and our team is going to organize a batch that will help you for embracing your logical thinking. And this is our contact number, which is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating the number, which is 98367930076. Please feel free to contact via these contact details. And again, I am telling our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So please feel free to drop an email in our email ID, so we can organize one-on-one sessions, or you can join our online classes and our regular batches, so that will be helpful for your embracing logical thinking, hel- and that will be helpful for your examinations, that upcoming examinations, that are like NBHM, TIFR, ISI, CMI, etc. So please feel free to contact via these contact details, so we can help you with your upcoming examinations. So now this is a question in from our NBHM 2024 previous year question. So this question is telling us that write down the set of all real numbers R such that the series, which is summation n equals to 1 to infinity root over of n to the power r plus 1 minus root over of n to the power r, when it converges. Okay. So this is the given question. So now what can be done for this? Okay. So the given thing is, let me write it first. Given series is n equals to 1 to infinity, and this is equals to n to the power r plus root over of n to the power r plus 1 minus, yeah, this. So let us name it. Let the term which is un, that is equals to be this. Okay. So after that, what can be done? So we can do that. We can, yeah. So let me, okay, firstly, let me write it, and after that, I will explain it to you. Okay, now I am telling that what I have done. So I have done that, I have multiplied with this denominator to our numerator and also the denominator. So in this case my denominator is 1, and if we multiply with this thing and this, we will get our a square minus b square formula. So we will get n to the power r plus 1 whole square, square roots whole square. So this is my n to the power r plus 1, and the square of this thing, square root of n to the power r. So we will get minus n to the power r here. So this n to the power r and this n to the power r will be cancelled out, as they are non-zero. So we are getting this thing. Yeah. So now after that, what can be done? We can write it as this. Let me zoom it a little bit, so that will be easier to see. Okay, 1 by n to the power r by 2. Then what will be the inner side? So that will be 1 by n by, sorry, 1 plus 1 by n to the power r inner side and plus 1. Yeah. So let us take an auxiliary series, so our comparison test will take place here. So let us take an auxiliary series Vn, that is what? That is equals to, yeah, 1 by n to the power r by 2. So now we can easily say that our un is this. So our un is less than equals to Vn. We can write it. So let me change my font color. Okay. So again, we can say that our summation of un will be less than equals to summation of vn. So the series is less than equals to this. So now, then our if summation vn will be convergent when our that will be convergent when our n is greater than 2. Sorry, sorry, r is greater than 2. Sorry, I want to write that that will be n. Okay, n is greater than 2. So the correct answer of the question will be my n will belongs to this 2 comma infinity, or we can write it as our n greater than 2 will be the all possible values of this. So then by, okay, so if we got these things, so after comparison test, what can be done here? So if we do the comparison test, then we will have this, and yeah, 1 by root over of 1 plus 1 by n to the power r plus 1. So we will get 1 from here and 1 from here, as this is 0. So we will get this is 1 by 2, and which is not equals to 0. So the series will be in the same manner. So that will, so our summation un will also convergent when our n takes value from this interval, which is open to interval, open to infinity. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that real numbers are, so I have done this mistake, sorry, that will be r. Yeah, again I am telling this is r and this is also r. Okay. So hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that please feel free to contact via this contact details, so we can arrange our one-on-one sessions, online classes, and you can join our regular batches. So that will be helpful for your upcoming examinations. That's like NBHM, TIFR, ISI, CMI, CSI, and NET, etc. So please feel free to contact via this contact details. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.